Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printing and its impact on the automotive industry. In this video, we'll explore the possibility of 3D printing a car and the challenges that come with it. So, buckle up and let's explore this futuristic concept. Segment 1. The possibility of 3D printing a car. You might be wondering, can you really 3D print an entire car? Well, the short answer is yes, it's theoretically possible. 3D printing technology has come a long way, and today we have printers capable of handling large-scale projects. However, when it comes to 3D printing an entire standard passenger car, there are some significant challenges and limitations we need to address. Segment 2. Challenges of 3D printing a car. One major challenge is the size and scale of the car. Most 3D printers have limited build volumes, making it difficult to produce the large components like the main body of a car in one go. Breaking it down into smaller parts could lead to structural weaknesses and difficulties during assembly. Another hurdle is finding suitable materials. While 3D printing technology has expanded to various materials, finding ones that meet the required safety, durability, and performance standards for a car is complex. We need materials that can withstand the stresses and demands of daily driving. Segment 3. Time, cost, and safety. 3D. Printing an entire car would be a time-consuming process. Unlike traditional car manufacturing methods, which involve assembly lines for faster production, 3D printing would require significant time and resources to complete a single vehicle. Cost is another major concern. As of now, 3D printing a car using current technologies and materials would be significantly more expensive than traditional manufacturing methods. It's not a cost-effective option for mass production. Segment 4. 3D printing in the automotive industry. While 3D printing an entire car is not yet practical, it's essential to recognize that 3D printing technology is making a significant impact on the automotive industry in other ways. Many car manufacturers use 3D printing for rapid prototyping, custom parts, and components. Using 3D printing for prototypes allows for faster design iteration and cost savings during the development process. Additionally, it enables innovative design and manufacturing approaches, leading to more efficient and creative solutions. In conclusion, while 3D printing an entire car remains a futuristic concept and currently faces several challenges, the technology is revolutionizing the automotive industry in other aspects. From rapid prototyping to custom parts, 3D printing is undoubtedly shaping the future of car design and manufacturing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.